Right, ladies and gents, a couple of interesting projects. We'll go through them one at a time. Right, the first one, Jaguar E-Type, obviously, which is going to make a hell of a car. Extremely solid, with lots and lots of bits and pieces. 99% there, I would suggest, but we'll come to that as we go along. So, obviously all the space frame at the front's all been done. The inside's in graphite, so's the underside. Lots and lots of the hard work has already been done. Very, very interesting project to finish off. I'll show you underneath there, look at that. That's cracking, that, isn't it? Lovely. So I'll just give you the basics, because obviously you've got to come and have a look at it. Of course you have. See what you're taking on and where you are. Now we've got lots and lots of bits inside the car, like I say. We can't guarantee that everything's going to be here, but we've got as much as we possibly can. Two real interesting projects there. Look at that, that's nice though, isn't it? Right, we'll just shut that bonnet down, nice and gently. Get my fingers out if I can. There we are. Got it, there you go. Look at that, that's good and solid, isn't it? There you go. So that's the gist of it for the E-Type. Oh, sorry, one last thing. Parts. There we are. Now, from the start, these aren't going to be moved. So from the start here down to the end of the pallets there on the camera, and that's all E-Type. So I'll just give you a basic take through what we've got there for the E-Type, which includes that engine, not this tray on the left hand side. That's that green tray, something completely different. So don't take any notice of from there onwards. It's the engine here up to the engine obviously for the TR across there, so not there from there on. There we go. So all those trays there and all this coming back here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 including the pit on 12 containers there, trays, call them what you will, of parts for the E-Type, plus the gearbox on the floor there, plus the engine there. Not the green one on the side, that's completely different, that goes with some other bits. And then we'll come back to the other pile, which is obviously all for the TR, all labelled up, so you can't go wrong. You can see exactly what you're going to get. So that sort of sums it up for that one, guys. I'm going to move on now and do the TR.